Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ajili and I'm back with another video. Today's video is all about the trending hairstyle called invisible locks. If this is your first time stopping by my channel, thank you so much for clicking on my video. Before you watch the video to the end, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe and hit that bell notification so that you'll be notified anytime I upload a new video. So before I show you the different styles, the different length, the different sizes or the hair types that can rock this hairstyle, first of all let me show you how it's done for those who want to try this hairstyle on themselves or others at home. So the first thing you can see the lady doing is she parted the hair depending on the size you want to rock this hairstyle. Then she parted it again into equal sizes, as you can see in the video. It's so self-explanatory. Then she flat twisted both sides down. Then after she's done, she added an extension. Going through this hairstyle, different hairstyles I've seen online, you can actually use Mali twist, Brazilian wool, you can use normal braiding hair, any braiding hair at all. It's just a normal twist. Some people are calling it Senegalese twist online. So it's just a normal twist, just that there's a different twist of how it's been, how the normal or the traditional root is being held. So this one actually looks like you have locks and then you've gone to where you refresh your locks for it to be refreshed. That's how this hairstyle looks like. That's the only difference. And there are two different videos showing right now, and upon going through the hairstyles online, I can see that there are different ways people are doing it, and that's fine because it's a new hairstyle and people are learning, especially the hairstylists are learning how it's done, and it shouldn't be perfect on the first try. Okay, you just have to keep practicing. And so for me, I will be rocking this hairstyle this Christmas. I finally found myself a Christmas hairstyle. Actually, this Christmas I wanted to rock a lock kind of hairstyle, but since this hairstyle is trending, I think I'm just gonna do myself a favor and settle with this one. So as you'll be seeing some of these pictures, you can see the roots are the same, but I've seen different how the people fold their ends in from different stylists, or I think from how the personal preference or whatever. As you can see, this one's tip is chunky than the previous picture you saw. So you can go through this video, and I'm very sure that by the time you finish or you watch to the end, you are definitely going to find yourself a particular invisible lock that fits your personality for you to rock and look beautiful this Christmas. I'm very sure about that. So I'm still showing you videos on how it's done, and as you can see, this is another video of how the whole thing is. And there's something I like about this hairstyle is that you can rock it in different length. I've seen the short one, I've seen others rocking it long. And like I said, the tip, I have seen another hairstyle where the person didn't roll the tip at all. The person left the tip long, like the way when you braid box braids. You don't let me talk much, just go through and I'm sure you're going to find yourself a beautiful one. Look at this one. So if you can see like clearly, some of them use different hairstyle. Like I said, the braiding hair, some people use Mali twist, some people use braiding hair, some also use Brazilian wool. I think Brazilian wool is a very, very, very smart move, because now the way braiding hair, Mali twist especially, is expensive. Man, like Brazilian wool is what we all use to do this hairstyle, trust me. And like the different colors, one thing, children are also rocking this hairstyle. Children are not left out in this hairstyle. So you're going to see some pictures of children rocking this hairstyle, and it suits them so much and they look so beautiful in it. And men as well. I saw a picture of a man rocking it, and if you really get someone who can do it very well for you, it's going to look like you have locks and you've gone for a retouch at the scalp, and it's so beautiful. Like It's so beautiful. Okay, so if you're confident that if you should try this on yourself for the first time, you're going to do well, I think you should go for it. And to be on the safer side, if you have an old wig, maybe a Brazilian wool, or maybe a Mali twist that you've used already, and you just want to use this as practice to see whether you can really do it, you can just go ahead. For me, I will be trying it myself, and I think it's quite easy. You just part like you saw in the video, then you part it again into 2 equal parts, then you flat twist, and then you add gel to the roots if you want it to look so laid down and slick. Then after that, you add the braided hair to one side, twist it again, then you add it to another side and twist it again, then you start twisting. It's so easy, but I know some people are going to find difficulties with it. That's fine. Keep practicing, and then you're just going to know how to do it. I was saying in my other video about the kind of hairstyle you should try during the dry season and the cold season for those who are in outside USA and other cold countries. And this hairstyle especially is the best because it has tagged your natural hair in. It's a kind of like a twist hairstyle, like I said initially, but just that there's a different style of how it's done. So if someone should see you, the person will think, oh, maybe you have locks and then you've gone for a retouch, and it's a brilliant hairstyle. So natural hair, relaxed hair, are rocking it, and it's so beautiful. When I saw it for the first time, I was like, wow, people are so creative. People are very, very creative. I really love the hairstyle already, and I am going to see if I can do it on myself. If I can't, and it's almost Christmas, then I have to go to a salon for it to be done for me. And with that, I have to do a thorough check on Instagram to look for a salon close by to rock me in this hairstyle. For me, I will be rocking it in the longer length. This one is quite shorter. I will be rocking in the longer length. This one is also shorter for me. You see, I'm on annual leave now, but I will be going back to work, and with my job, you have to always have your hair up. Okay, like you should be able to hold it in a ponytail and then wrap it small, then you can put on your cap. For all of you wondering, I work in a hospital. Yes, I'm a nurse. So I want something longer that I can wrap up, hold up as a ponytail, and then wrap it up and look cute on my head. Something like this. This is what I'm talking about. This is the length I'm actually going for. And I don't want it full. I just want it exactly like this. Not full, not too short. Not the exact length. That picture is my inspiration for this hairstyle. And I'm sure by the time you finish, you're going to find an inspiration to this hairstyle. Okay, so if you are natural hair, I don't know how long this hair keeps, because for some of us, when we braid our hair, we are really worried about how long this hairstyle can take us. Is it 2 months? Before I continue, it seems like this particular one was done with Brazilian wool. This is what I'm talking about. I don't know, but it looks like Brazilian wool, and it's so nice. It's crazy. Just look at the root. Oh my god, it's so beautiful. And I like this color combination as well, the size, but the length is a no for me because I don't like the hair all over around my neck and all of that. So as I was saying, some of us are wondering or always bother ourselves or always worry about how long a particular hairstyle keep on our head, because we are managing the way this economy is going around worldwide. If you don't manage, so I don't know. Like I said, I just discovered it recently, and most of the people I see rocking it are just rocking it recently. So I don't know how long it keeps, but from the look of things, it can keep long. It can keep long. As far as the person is able to tuck in your hair properly, it can take you 2 months max. I love the uniqueness of this hairstyle for the fact that men and women, children of different hair types can rock it. And it's not really, I'm sure it's not really, it doesn't put a lot of tension on your scalp. And I'm very sure it's also very lightweight. So if you are also on a healthy hair journey and you want a hairstyle where you can keep your hair in as a protective style, this is another one for you. Like, this hairstyle is for everybody, and it can be made so natural that it can look like your own hair, that you've placed it in twists. And like some of the pictures, when you see them and you are not told that this person has used extension to do locks or to do a fox locks or something, you wouldn't know unless you are told. And this is another length I'm going for. Okay, for me, I will be using the mallet twist because I want it to look natural. I want it to look like a locks, like my natural locks. And my hair color, and normally the black color of braiding hair like this doesn't really match, so I'll go for something colorful, not really colorful, but a little matte kind of color, or something like this, but a little darker, so that my hair color doesn't really create a difference between the braiding hair, so that I can keep it for a long time. Like, the more longer it takes, it's really going to look more natural and more beautiful. Guys, I can't wait to try this hairstyle. Okay, so let me know in the comment section those of you who are going to rock this hairstyle. If not for the Christmas festive season, at least as a normal hairstyle. And this hairstyle can be sent to work as well. Okay, it can be sent to work, it can be taken to anywhere, to school. It's just a normal passion twist we know, or normal Senegalese twist that we know, but just that a little twist at the roots that is making it look so unique and different. So like I said initially, you see the tips, there are different ways you can go about it. I'm sure this one, she used braiding hair to do this particular hair. So if you can't afford mallet twist, it's not necessary that you use that one. You can use braiding hair, and you can use this one looks so natural. It looks like a real hair, and I like the color combination, the black and the red at the tips. So beautiful, like so beautiful, and the whole black as well, so beautiful. Really love it. And if I should rock mine like this is the particular hairstyle I'm gonna put it in. It looks so cute and so beautiful. Oh my god, I'm so excited about this hairstyle, even though I haven't rocked it already. I haven't rocked it yet. I don't know why, but I'm sure a lot of you are excited as I am. Look at this baby rocking it. Can't you see? Children can rock it. Let your children rock it, okay? I really love the hairstyle. It's so simple, so simple. Just look at this color combination, the gold and the black, so beautiful, and the blonde. Oh, so cute. I'm very sure by this part of the video you have been inspired by one of these hairstyles, either by video or by picture. If you have been inspired, let me know in the comment section the color you're braiding your hair in this hairstyle in, the length, and maybe the size, the color, so that maybe you might be inspired, or you will inspire someone to also try it. Okay, and I also want to know which part of the world you're watching this video from. Please let me know in the comment section so that I would know where my lovely subscribers are watching my video from. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and hit the bell notification so that you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Don't forget to be good, stay beautiful, and stay kind, and I love you all.